Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So you have seen this type of trend in Instagram stories. So I will show you how to use this. And for many users, when they are clicking on add yours, that button is not working. So why this is happening? It's like you have to update your Instagram application. I was facing same problem when I was clicking, nothing was happening. And when I updated my Instagram app, after that whenever I'm clicking on add yours, I'm able to click a photo. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to do this. So for this you need to open my Instagram account, because this is not a filter, this is a kind of sticker. Like you can see here, add yours template. So this is this kind of, so someone have created. So for this you have to go to my story, and if you want thanks 2023, go for this one. And if you want 2024, hello 2024, this one, go to my story and click on add yours, and you will be able to select this and click on this one, and you can add it to your Instagram stories. So if this add yours is not working, you need to update your Instagram application. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.